Oh shit. Just give me one of my super clamps or something like that. Doesn't matter. Good enough. Yeah, Adrian, you got 3, bro. How does that look in the camera, like the back?
The test is like just do cyan in the back, or like the shadow.
Oh, okay, yeah.
All right. So this is 20.
Oh, that's nice. That's good.
Yeah, everybody fucking.
Everyone loves it.
Everybody asking your
It
rent.
presents well.
144 times I think about you or something like that.
How the fuck they gon' blame us? You can't fight fire with fire, I know, but at least we can tame the flames down. Every color version ain't done, and all white.
Lights? Shoulder? Ooh. Camera ready? Action. Lights? Shoulder. Action. That's fucked.
The
Spigot.
and wing.
Wing plate, yes.
Just gonna.
Yes, is that the pose up?
Purple and orange just like plastic.
We did that for.
And then the last one we do the red. It's either red runway we can do
Colors?
Is that good?
Yeah. Colors are crazy, pulling out the references. Blue and orange.
I already know. I don't know. It's kind of like.
So this is a super clamp, and then this is just a regular grip head, and I have a 3/8 spigot. So what we're going to end up doing with the light is putting it in like this. So this can grip to the beam, and then that goes up, and that. So I'm going to set up this first, and then we can easily put in the lights. This one?
Yeah. Are you doing the runway thing?
We're doing the runway, but I thought they were all going to be like this.
Oh, are you gonna do like side by side, 4-on-4?
What do you guys want to do? Vertical, like this way, or this way?
Because he's gonna walk in, I guess, right?
If he walks in like this, he'd probably go like.
Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
did you want one still here? Ooh, we could do it you.
Yeah, landing spot.
Like, yeah.
Like a final
Oh,
figure.
sick. Oh, we do anything.
Once we have.
And then we'll kill house lights.
Already killed.
Or is it?
These are just.
Oh fuck!
You want it tilted forward a bit?
These are just this? Yeah. I went over there, I'm like, really low.
Yeah, that's what I was doing earlier. I was like, what's this?
I said I'm geek and I'm fired up. All I want tonight, just get
One more time. Come in like higher. Go. Actually, no. Do what you were doing before. Okay. Ready? Action. Coming even faster.
Faster than that?
Go.
Over to your right a bit, to the left a bit. Flex that collar again.
Go, go, go.
Sky panel. Yeah, they do. Deal with this shit. Have you seen the Novas? Yeah. Those are beating up.
Let's get a shot. Ready? Go. Ooh! Yeah, yeah. One more. Ready? Ready?
Me and the homies. Me and the homies. Me and the homies. Bragging about the episode we just had. A shot of Hennessy make me feel that bad. Yeah, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne.
Thank you so much.
Yo, you gotta get a pic in this setup.
Yeah, yo, for sure.
It's a wrap! Yeah, you're doing your whole video in this setup.
Justin, can you call it? Call what? That rap?
What's a wrap, fam? That's a taco wrap, my guy.
My fashion speaks volumes. The way you dress is the way you represent yourself, how you want to be noticed. For me, it says a lot about personality. I've been inspired by nostalgic trends and modern fashion. I love incorporating both styles into how I approach the way I dress. I've heard the saying, never underestimate the power of a good outfit on a bad day. Overall, if I look good, I feel good. I feel like me.